Hi, today I'm going to be doing a detailed review of Aveola, one of the newest social discovery and live video chat platforms that has been gaining attention recently. Now, over the next several minutes, I'm going to cover everything you need to know about Aveola, including what the platform actually is, how it works, who it's for, its standout features, the pricing, the strengths and the weaknesses, the user experience, the privacy and safety tools. And finally, we'll see whether Aveola is truly one of the best platforms to meet people online in 2026. Let's get started. Aveola is a live video chat and social discovery platform that allows users to connect instantly with strangers and new people from around the world. This is done through one-on-one video calls, messaging, stories, and social interaction tools. It's available primarily as a mobile app, and the platform focuses heavily on real-time communication rather than passive content consumption. You can download the app on the Play Store or on iOS. And honestly, real-time communication is one of the biggest things that makes Aveola stand out immediately. Most modern social apps today are built around scrolling feeds, short-form videos, and algorithms that are designed to keep you consuming content endlessly. You open the app, scroll for 30 minutes, maybe leave a few comments, and then close it. But Aveola tries to move in a different direction. So instead of focusing mainly on content, the platform is designed around interaction. The goal is to help users actually communicate with people face-to-face through live conversations. Now, what are the main features of Aveola? The main feature of Aveola is obviously the one-on-one live video chat system. This is the centerpiece of the entire platform. Users can connect instantly with strangers or new people around the world through face-to-face conversations that is done live. Unlike traditional messaging apps where conversations may take hours or days, interactions on Aveola happen immediately in real time. One feature Aveola highlights heavily is its blurred screen connection system. Before a video chat fully begins, both users initially see a blurred preview. The video becomes fully visible only after both sides agree to continue the interaction. Aveola also claims to use AI moderation tools, reporting systems, safety monitoring, and community guidelines designed to reduce abusive or explicit behavior on the platform. Now, realistically, no random chat platform is ever going to eliminate inappropriate users completely. That's just the reality of platforms built around connecting strangers instantly. But compared to older platforms that had almost zero moderation, it's good to see that Aveola is at least actively trying to address these concerns. Another major feature is smart matching. Instead of pairing users completely randomly, Aveola attempts to match people based on interests, activity, and engagement. So I wouldn't say this turns the app into a perfect matchmaking system or anything like that, but it does help conversations feel slightly less awkward because users may already share common interests before they even start talking. And honestly, this feature might actually be one of the reasons some users describe the conversations as more natural compared to other random chat apps. Another feature is unlimited text messaging. After connecting through video chat, users can continue talking through messages, photos, and ongoing conversations. Then there's the stories feature. This works similarly to Instagram stories or Snapchat stories where users can upload moments, update photos, or temporary content that followers can view. And honestly, this makes the app feel much more like a social platform instead of just a video chat tool. Users can build profiles, grow followers, post updates, and maintain ongoing engagement with people that they've met through the app. Aveola also includes beauty filters. It also includes masks, profile customization, level systems, and virtual gifting systems. Now, this is where the app starts feeling more gamified. With this feature, users can send gifts, they can earn levels, unlock rewards, improve profile visibility, and essentially participate in a social ranking system inside the app. Some people really enjoy this because it adds progression and social status to the experience. Now, what is the pricing of Aveola like? Technically, Aveola is free to download and use. Users can create accounts, you can explore the platform and access basic functionality without paying upfront. But like many live social platforms, Aveola uses a freemium monetization system that is built around virtual currency. So the app uses tickets or coins that can be purchased through in-app purchases. And these are used for premium features, gifts, enhanced interactions, and certain communication tools. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Aveola? First, the pros. It has a modern user experience. Another strong advantage is the international user base and the safety systems, including AI moderation, reporting tools, blurred screen content features, and community guidelines. How about the cons? The biggest criticism by far is the monetization. And there's also the issue every social discovery platform struggles with, which is authenticity. Now let's answer the biggest question. Is Aveola actually the best platform to meet people? Well, I think the answer depends entirely on what type of social experience you want. If you enjoy spontaneous conversations, live interaction, meeting international users, and face-to-face communication, then Aveola honestly offers a much more engaging experience than traditional scrolling-based social media. However, if you dislike heavy monetization systems, you prefer slower and more intentional relationship building, or you want a completely free experience, then Aveola may not feel ideal for you. And that's it on the review of Aveola. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore TV, Monkey, and Bigo Live. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.